Oh, what a peaceful scene, right? But then again... Shit, here we go again. Alright, it's 6:15. I have taken my shower and you can see my voice is a little not well. So let's style our hair and then start going. Alright, my hair is done. And not fully, but it's okay. So let's get to other works. So it's almost 7:30. I'm heading off home. So don't forget to stay tuned because you're gonna be surprised. So it's 7:50 a.m. I'm heading to college. I'm having a class. Actually, I'm having an exam at 8:15. So let's get there as soon as possible. So I got here for 15 minutes earlier and I decided to walk around and show you my college. Everyone, this is my college. I'm studying at IT and programming if I want to be more consistent. So this is my college. I'm heading to my class. I'm having an exam. I don't know if I can record it or not. So let's see. Guys, I am really sorry because I had an exam as I told you and my teacher didn't let me to record anything, so I use a stock footage. Sorry. So it's 12:30. I have finished my exam and I'm heading home because I have so much to do. I've got work, UX designs and so much more. Alright, I got home at 1 p.m. Immediately I started working. I had so many things to do. I designed different wireframes, so many things. I analyzed some websites and then at 4 p.m. I took a nap because I had to get ready and recover my body to get ready to go to gym. I had so much training to do as well, and that's basically it. Alright, it's 6:15 p.m. I am at gym and I'm doing my exercises. Guys, this is really important. As designers, you have to be creative, and the best way to stay creative and motivated, I think, is doing exercise. So don't forget to do it every day. So I finally got home. It's 8:31 p.m. I had a really busy day and I really am tired. As you know, you've been in my life for a whole day. Thank you for staying with me. I really do appreciate it. This video is a little shorter than all other videos because it's kind of a vlog actually. And I really appreciate it that you stay with me for a whole day. Tomorrow I have a busy day as well. I am going to have a business meeting tomorrow. It's gonna be one of the most important websites that I have ever designed tomorrow. I am the head designer at this project. Thank you for staying with me. Subscribe this channel if you want to learn more about UI and UX and also a little about frontend. That was basically for today. Again, I really appreciated that you stayed with me for a whole day. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like my other tutorials. Thank you. Have a great day.